Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can clone any of your favorite delay or reverb plugin inside FL Studio. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Let's say you are using a plugin that is processor demanding, maybe a delay plugin or a reverb plugin. With this method, it will save you that heavy load on your processor or on your memory. So with that being said, let me show you step by step on how to set it up. The first thing you need to do is to insert Fruit to Convolver. Then after that, you insert your favorite reverb you want to clone. Then lastly, you insert another Fruit to Convolver. Now, these two convolvers, the first one will be used to trigger impulse, and the last one will be used to capture or record that impulse. So let me show you. The last one, all you need to do is to click on this record button, get it ready. Now on the first one, all you need to do is to click on this lightning symbol here. But before then, let me turn on this reverb. Before I even do this, let me show you the texture of the reverb so that you will see if it cloned it exactly or not. Now, I'll be using this vocal recording. Everybody knows it's true. This is the reverb from Valhalla. So now, let's clone this. On the first Fruit to Convolver will be the trigger, then the last Fruit to Convolver will be what we use to capture that impulse. Now let's click on record, then we'll go straight to the first one and tap this once. As you can see, it has captured it. Now let's turn off the Valhalla reverb and listen through this captured response. That is with the cloned Valhalla, and this is with the original Valhalla. Everybody knows it's true. So guys, you can see for yourself that it's perfectly cloned it to the texture of the original from Valhalla. Now, at this point, you can now do your tweaking, you can increase your dry, you can reduce your wet. Everybody knows it. You can use it now as a normal reverb. You can even save the preset. So that is it about the reverb, and you can do this with any reverb plugin. So guys, let's go into the delay. Actually, it's the same procedure. All you need to do is to replace this Valhalla with your favorite delay. In this case, I'm using the H delay. So let me quickly roll it up there and do the same thing for you guys. There you go. Now, let's listen to it with the original delay, which is this one. So let's listen. Everybody knows it's true. And before I continue, it's important to set your delay exactly how you want it before doing this, because when it comes to the delay, the features to really manipulate the delay signal is not really here. I've tried, but I couldn't figure it out. So make sure you set everything the way you want it before cloning it. Everybody knows it's true. Everybody knows it's true. Everybody knows it's true. This EQ might not really be necessary because you can do this after you've, applied a delay. You can still control this. So guys, let's say I've set it to how I want it. The next thing is to clone it. So let's clone. The procedure is on the first convolver will be your trigger, and on the last convolver will be your recorder. So you click on record. If you like, you can delete this here. To have a clean template, then Click on record and trigger it. And allow it to roll and record every impulse. Yeah, that's good. Now we've gotten it. So let's preview. And usually the volume increases. So you need to, tweak it to match to the volume of the original. So let's turn off the H delay and listen through the cloned delay. Everybody knows it's true. That is with the clone delay, and this is with the H delay. Everybody knows it's true. So you can see the similarity in the both of them. That will be it for today's video. And if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell because it really helps this channel algorithm. And remember that we are all here to learn and improve on our skills and grow together. So stay creative. Don't forget to share to your friends. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.